Alright everyone, here we are, and this video is for us to have a look at the data concept of stem and leaf plots. So let's just move that down, stem and leaf. And this particular example is one of the questions that you have to do for this week. So we're going to do it together. Stem and leaf plots. Now, the first thing is the format. And a stem and leaf plot has two sections to it. A stem, here we are, and the second part is the leaf. Okay, stem and leaf, that's the format. And the way to get there is to start with the range of the data. I'm going to do that first. And by the looks of things, the highest score is 175 and the lowest is 137. So that's a range of 38. Now, everywhere in between is important. So let's have a look at how we plot on here what all this looks like. Now the idea of the stem is to break up the data into sections, usually in lots of 10. Depends how big the range is. So we put, say for this first one, the lowest one is 1, 3. And that's for every number that's between 130 and 139. And since we've only got one of them, we'll put one number, 1 there, and that number is 137. That's the divisions in tens, and that stands for the number 137. And then for each 10 going up, 140s, 150s, 160s, and 170s. And we've got actually two in the 170s, 171, 175, 171, 175. Here we are. So now we've covered those three numbers. So let's do the rest of it. What I'm going to do is use a highlighter to go each section at a time. So the next section is 140s. And I think there's actually only one of those two. 145. So in the 140s there's only 145. Okay, next one, highlighter. Let's do them in red. All the numbers in the 150s. And I think there's a few of those. Anything else? Yes. And I think that's it. All the 150s. Okay, so from lowest to highest, 154. 155, 156, 157, 2 158s, and that's it for the 150s. Now the 160s. Highlight, let's do them in blue. 160s. Oh, I missed a 159. Well, shows you how easy it is to make a mistake. Let's put that in before we forget. 159. That belongs to our red highlight. Okay. Blues, 160s. There's a lot of them. Okay. So, lowest to highest. Do we have a 160? We got two 160s. That one. 1 to 61. 1 to 62, I don't think. 1 to 63 we do. Any other 163s? Nope. Yes, 2 163s. 164, I think we got a couple. 164, 164. And then 165 is just one of them. 167, 166. 167, there are 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. That leaves 169. Now there should be 24 numbers here because there were 24 students measured. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24. It's all good. Okay, let's deal with the cluster. Data clustered, which means a lot close together. And by the looks of things, we've got a bit of a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a cluster. So it's in the stem is the 16 stem. And lastly, the median. Now our median is the middle score. Now because there's 24 scores altogether, that means it's split into groups of 12. So score 1 to 12 and then 13 to 24. They're the two groups, and the 12 and 13 score, because there's a split evenly there, nothing left over, they'll have to share the median. So what's the 12th and 13th score? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 13. Score 12 is 61 and score 13 is 63. Now to get the median we have to average those two. 61 plus 63 is 124. The then divided by 2 is 62. 62 is the median. We've got range, we've got number of students measured, we've got that, and we've got that. How many students shorter than 150? Well, that would be these two, 137 and 145. So only 2 of them. 2. And I think that's covered as the format of the stem and leaf and how you get data out of it, especially the median is important. That's it, thank you.